The Dogon have endured and preserved mysterious ancient knowledge. Knowledge of an invisible star and its movements through the heavens. The hum of the bull roar is believed to be the voice of the sacred star. It calls initiates to a ceremony high in the cliffs. Dating back to a time when the Western world was locked in the Dark Ages, this ritual has taken place year after year. During the ceremony, the full spectrum of Dogon knowledge is revealed and passes from generation to generation. A circle within a circle depicts Saturn and its rings, which can only be seen with a telescope. A large circle and 4 satellites. The planet Jupiter and its moons. Most remarkable is this symbol. It represents the orbit of the Dogon star, a phenomenon deep in stellar space. Yet, no such orbiting star is visible from the Earth. It was not until this century that Western astronomers began to suspect its existence. A desert tribe called the Dogon, isolated in the African wilderness, may have identified a star invisible to the unaided eye. How is this possible? How could the Dogon possess this sophisticated astronomical information?
If you were to look at a modern drawing of the orbits of Sirius and Sirius B and compare that to the ancient Dogon drawing, you'll see that they match up almost identically.
The remote tribe appeared to understand the orbital mechanisms of a star almost 9 light years from Earth. Some dismiss this as pure coincidence. Dumb luck might explain 2 correct astronomical predictions. But the Dogon legend also reveals a 3rd prophecy about Sirius B. They claim that it is white and made from the heaviest metal in the universe.
One thing they said about Sirius B is that it's made up of very, very heavy, very dense material.
For 7 decades, scientists can only speculate as to how much of the Dogon's astronomical knowledge is true. In 2005, NASA begins deep space observations of Sirius B using the Hubble Space Telescope. The state-of-the-art satellite data shows that, incredibly, the Dogon were right once again.
NASA's Hubble Space Telescope finally gets us the information we need. Sirius B is a white dwarf star. It's a dead star that's incredibly dense. 1 teaspoon would weigh over 1 ton.
The NASA discovery seems to confirm that the ancient tribes people have somehow acquired detailed information about a star that is invisible to them.
So how did they come to this knowledge, which we observe to be true in large part? The Dogon claim that they received the information about Sirius B directly from beings who lived in that star system.
The Dogon tell Griul that these celestial beings visited their ancestors many generations ago. They honor them with ritualistic mass dances. They call them the Teachers.
The Teachers have come to Earth sometime in the past to teach them things that they would otherwise not know.
According to the Dogon, the Teachers live on a 3rd star near Sirius B. This 3rd star has yet to be discovered. But gravitational studies of the star system suggest that it might exist.